Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today we have a nice Olympiad problem 3 to the power x plus 2 is equal to 60. We have to find the value of x. Now starting our solution. First of all, we see that here we can use algebraic identity, as we know that if we have a to the power m plus n, that can be written as a to the power m times a to the power n. So applying here, we will get 3 to the power x times 3 to the power 2, that is equal to 60. Now here, if we just write 3 to the power x times 3 squared is equal to 9 is equal to 60. Now dividing 9 on both hand side, so this 9 can be cancelled out. We get 3 to the power x is equal to 60 can also be written as that 3 times 20, which is equal to 60, and similarly 9 can be written as 3 times 3. Here this 3 is cancelled out with 3. We get 3 to the power x is equal to 20 over 3. Here we are going to take log on both hand side. So log 3 to the power x is equal to log 20 over 3. Log 20 over 3. Now using logarithm powers law, as we know that if we have log b to the power p, it is equal to p log b. P log b. So it will be written as that x log 3. And here we can use this logarithm law. If we have log a over b, it is equal to log a minus log b. Log a minus log b. So here log 20 minus log 3. Now dividing log 3 on both hand side. So here we have log 3. Now this log 3 is cancelled with log 3. We get x is equal to log 20, and this log 3 writing separately this denominator with this term. Similarly minus log 3 over log 3. Here we see that log 3 is cancelled with log 3, we get 1. So x is equal to log 20 can also be written as that 2 multiplied by 10, which is equal to 20, all over log 3 minus here we get 1. So x is equal to, we are going to use logarithm law here, log a times log b, log a times b is equal to log a plus log b. It is product law of logarithm. So here we have log 2 plus log 10, log 2 plus log 10 all over log 3. Now our next step will be, now x is equal to log 2 plus log 10 is written as 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is equal to log 10 and all over log 3. Now using again the same law of logarithm product law, so we get x is equal to, here we have log 2 plus log 2, and here we have plus log 5 all over log 3. Now we see that log 2 and log 2 are like terms, so x is equal to 2 log 2 plus log 5 all over log 3. Now writing this denominator separately with both these terms, so we get x is equal to 2 log 2 over log 3 and plus log 5 over log 3. Here we have x is equal to that 2 log 2 over log 3 can be written as log 2 to base 3, and here plus log 5 to base 3. We have just used this logarithm law. If we have log a over log b, it is written as log a to base b. So we just find out the value of that x, so x is equal to this one. Now we have to just verify our problem for this value of x. So for verification, we have to just recall our problem, that is 3 to the power x plus 2 is equal to 60. So by simplification, we get 3 to the power x is equal to 20 over 3. Now putting the value of x, 3 to the power x is 2 log 2 to base 3 plus log 5 to base 3. Is it equal to 20 over 3? Now solving our left hand side, here we see that according to this algebraic identity a to the power m plus n, it is written as a to the power m times a to the power n. So here we have, so now here one thing is missing. If we see that here no value of minus 1, we have just forgotten to write the value of minus 1. So no problem, here we have, here we see that it is minus 1 and we don't write here this minus 1. Now correct this one that it is minus 1, and simply our next step is here that it is minus 1. Similarly we have here it is minus 1, and we can also write here minus 1. Similarly here we have minus 1, and in our value of x it is also minus 1. So now when we put the value of x here, here we have minus 1. Sorry, don't forget this, and we just write here minus 1, so there will be no issue here. Now our problem is going right. So here we get 3 to the power 2 log 2 to base 3 times 3 to the power log 5 to base 3 times 3 to the power minus 1. Is it equal to 20 over 3? Here we can write this, that shifting this one we get log 2 squared to base 3. Similarly here we have 3 log 5 to base 3, and times 3 to the power minus 1 is written as 1 over 3. Is it equal to 20 over 3? Now here we use logarithm law. If we have a to the power log b to base a, then it is equal to b. So it is equal to, the value of b is here 2 squared, and then it is 5 times 1 over 3. Is it equal to 20 over 3? Now we see that 2 times 2, that 2 squared is 4. 4 times 5 is 20 over 3, which is equal to 20 over 3. So our left hand side of this equation is equal to right hand side. Hence we prove that this value of x, which is x is equal to 2 log 2 to base 3 plus log 5 to base 3 minus 4 minus 1, is true for this problem. Now we are going to just review our problem step by step. Here it is our entire solution. So we get the value of x, which is x is equal to 2 log 2 to base 3 plus log 5 to base 3 and minus 1. And sorry, don't forget this minus 1. Okay, so that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support and affection. So goodbye.